Hi friends, this is me Ibtikhar Ahmed and you are watching Learn A to Z. Today we will discuss pronoun and its types. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Pronouns are used to avoid repetition of the nouns. In these sentences, I, he, she, they, and your are pronouns. There are 8 different types of pronouns, which are demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative pronouns, intensive pronouns, possessive pronouns, relative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and personal pronouns. Let's discuss them one by one. Demonstrative pronouns normally indicate the closeness of or distance from the speaker. This, these, that, and those are demonstrative pronouns. They also work as demonstrative adjectives when they modify a noun. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that does not refer to any person, amount, or thing in particular. These pronouns ends on body, one, or thing. Some most common indefinite pronouns are given. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. The main interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, whom, and whose. A possessive pronoun is a word that replaces a noun and shows ownership. Examples are my, mine, our, ours, its, his, her, hers, their, theirs, your, and yours. A relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously. Relative pronouns can be used to join two sentences. Some most common relative pronouns are who, which, whom, that, and whose. Reflexive pronouns are words ending in self or selves that are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. An intensive pronouns is used to refer back to a noun or pronoun in order to emphasize it. Intensive pronouns ends on self or selves. Difference between reflexive pronouns and intensive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns reflect the subject of the verb. In reflexive pronouns, subject and object of the verb are the same person. Intensive pronouns are reflexive pronouns that are used to emphasize the subject or object noun. Personal pronouns are short words used to represent people or things. The personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. They are primarily used to avoid repetition. There are 3 person categories of personal pronoun: first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. Please subscribe to our channel Learn A to Z for more videos and press the bell icon for instant notifications.